Yep.
Good afternoon and good morning and good evening. I'm building the new IKEA PAX 2.0 wardrobe. It's the first time I'm doing it. I've built a lot of PAXs. I never built this. And this is one that you should build standing up and with the least amount of time. So I've already read some instructions. Arrows up, do not cut. It says here, but you can just pull this off.
Arthur, what's the difference between the old PAX and the new?
The old PAX you had to nail the board in at the back. You had to build it lying down and then putting it up. Now you can build it standing up, especially if you have a house with a very low ceiling where you cannot make that move. You can now build standing up and it can fit. Yeah?
Make what move? Can you do that again?
Well, if you make this move like this, you need more height. Yeah. So if you were to build this thing on the floor as a box and then lift the box up, it might scratch. Now you can just build it standing up, because what you do is you fold this.
Wow. Yeah. And it comes complete like this.
It comes complete like this. So what you saw, that plastic, you were not allowed to go over there. Pull this towards you already. Yeah.
People are reporting it's flimsy, but as we go into it, let's compare.
It's not necessarily flimsy. It is the material here on the side, the cover here.
Yes.
That damages easily.
It's a sort of a special plastic coating. The old PAX, which we've built IKEA for 20 years or 25 even, robust. You could sell them, but we're finding, as we have, this was in the bargain corner already, and we're seeing quite a few of them, and we are guessing.
This was a customer return.
Yeah, customer return, but we're also guessing the quality, and people, and it's on my YouTube, are complaining about the PAX quality.
Okay, warm up.
Look at that. So just remind people the old versus the new. What happened here?
This board was always, you had to nail it to the back. So you had to build the box first, then nail it to the back, and then lift it up. This one you can build standing up.
Which is fantastic. Look at that.
And they don't usually bend like this, do they?
They do bend.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this is now all already done.
As one, which is fantastic. In the pack, it
And
comes
saves
complete.
Saves you a lot of time.
Yeah. Oh. It's a one-man job, you would say now?
No, it's still a two-man job. IKEA is always a two-man job. So, what you do here, you put them, see, that's already a little bit damaged.
There you go, look at that.
Yeah.
New in the package, and look at that, already damaged. This is what we're talking about.
Okay.
I think in time these are going to be taken off the market.
Did I put it right or not?
Always, even though you're an expert like Arthur, just double check the instructions, because old IKEA versus new IKEA is different. So we're here, the PAX, the new model, all complete in one. No more nails.
Take it the other way around.
No matter how expert you think you are, read the instructions. And look at that.
Now, then we grab, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll grab these things.
We like the concept. We're just questioning the quality of the material, which is disappointing, and we're seeing quite a lot of these in the bargain corner. And this was a customer return. It's still in the box. I've got a slight damage to it.
Okay. Read it first.
Read the instruction first. This is the third time he's taking it off.
Yes. Third time. Okay. It looks to be. Let me see. How do I put this thing? there a left and a right? Doesn't seem to be. Okay, so this goes in here and then you clip that there.
That makes sense. Again, a material we're not used to.
No. And then we grab this one up the top and you flick it down. That's what it is. Make sure that these are properly in. Yeah.
It's as simple as ABC. So this is the new model, the
You
PAX.
gotta push this back for me.
Alright.
Push this back.
Could we have the helper, please? Helper.
What do you need to do?
Push this back, please. Again, no more nails.
Like that?
Yes. It's a bit like a tent.
Next.
Do I have to keep holding it?
No, you don't have to hold it.
It's not looking good so far. I
think you have to put something there at the back that holds it.
Yeah, no, we're going to put it
You know, for me, we're IKEA experts and coming across is quite flimsy for me, but it's a new technology.
I don't think it's flimsy. What I'm saying is that this foil on there is what gets easily damaged.
Wow.
Doesn't mean it's flimsy.
Let's just look at the difference. This is IKEA.
Oh god, yeah, I can definitely feel a big difference.
Yeah.
And feel this one.
Yeah.
This one feels like proper wood.
Or MDF. And I don't know when they're doing
They're
product
always-
tests,
yeah,
what possessed them to think that this will be something that people will be happy with. Because I've already got comments on my bowed up kitchen IKEA. You can have a look at that on my YouTube. And people are bringing up the PAX on my bowed up kitchen. Interesting.
Okay. Now, then we put this
At the back?
in at the back.
Do you need me to hold it straight while I do it?
Well, it's only this.
Oh.
There you go.
It's moved a bit now.
No, that's all right. Then we do
Okay.
these clips. Those. Yeah, we put these clips in. These black clips. They should hold the back in place. There we go. Then we go to the top.
I mean, if we're talking about speed,
Yes.
this is, you know,
Okay. It says
A
an
lot
R and an
faster
L. I'm
than that.
sure it stands for left and right. So that's right. We're gonna put that. Okay. I need stairs. Can someone bring me some stairs?
someone bring me some stairs, or I think you're referring to a ladder.
Ladder or stairs?
No, they're two different things. Can you bring the stairs, please? And what we're referring to is a ladder.
Here are your stairs.
Ah! It's just stairs. Oh. Make sure everything's secure
Okay,
so you
got
don't
here
fall
the R.
down the stairs.
I got here
Oh,
the
that
R.
breeze is gorgeous.
The R. L. R has to go here. Okay. So that goes in here.
Incredible. Used to be a lot of hammering those little flint
You hear
nails.
that click? You hear that solid click? Okay, we don't hear it on the other side. No. It's amazing. And then we've done that. And then we go top shelf.
So just assembling the latest PAX 0.2.
You know, I have something to say.
Yeah.
You know, I've built my closet with pup before in another place.
Yeah.
And you have to lift it up and everything, and it's really heavy.
Yes.
So this
Yeah.
is it's really simple.
Yeah, it's less stressing. I think that's the concept.
Yes.
But if
Okay,
we're
one moment.
comparing,
One moment. I don't want to hear anything else for the moment. Okay. Yeah. There.
yeah, that's true.
It says.
I think it could be potentially a one-man band.
No.
Yeah.
Not a one-man job. Unfortunately. So it says you got to go from the bottom. So move the.
With what?
What?
Oh,
Wow.
you need help?
And then okay. And there should be
Look
there.
at that. That's incredible.
There. And then you push it forward.
Just to give you a comparison, we've got beautiful Italian wardrobes. My goodness.
There you go. And then you clip this thing in here. And then you clip this thing in here.
I mean, assembling, yes.
Look how quick and easy that is.
Yeah.
I gotta give my hats off.
For that, it's just this. If we're comparing the quality of the IKEA.
Yeah.
But maybe they're doing it so you can't resell it.
No, I think it is easy to disassemble as well. So
Okay.
the idea
Yeah, but
is-
the idea is if it's not damaged, and we've seen it
Clip
damaged,
that.
because we got.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful with it. That's I'll tell after a few years. Okay. Then I'm not gonna mount it to the wall. I never do. But you can, especially when you have young kids. You
Yeah.
don't want the thing to fall on you, but we don't have young kids anymore.
We have teenagers, which could be equally as dangerous.
Yeah, I'm gonna climb my closet.
Well, we've seen the TikTok videos.
Yeah.
Right, well, there we have it.
This one goes that way. This should have a nice clip sound. Look. Cover. Start here. Now, then the only thing we have to do is put it against the wall and level it with these things.
Right.
And then we put the bottom shelf in at the end. Okay. I'm sorry.
Second time my toe's been destroyed.
Now move that light if it needs moving.
Oh, yes. We're just here in Tuscany. Oh!
Oh, the lights, jeez.
Yeah,
You've suffocated him.
Ooh. Okay.
good old Italian design.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that'll do for the
bloody
moment.
right. Oh my god.
Jeez.
I can move it a little bit more.
Yes, that'll. No. It's good.
Okay. Gee, you don't know that there's a room here anymore.
Okay, and now what? New PAX.
Now, how good is it against the wall? Not yet. So there is this Allen key here. That's the only time you need the Allen key here.
Wow, that's incredible.
To put it in here, and then I think you can screw it. Am I doing anything? I'm not so sure. Is it gripping? Yes, it is moving.
Okay.
And it's a bit fiddly.
Bit fiddly.
It's very fiddly.
Necessary? What is actually doing this?
Okay, unscrew something and you can make the.
More stable.
You can make it.
Oh, balance.
Yeah, you can
We're
level it.
balancing.
You can level it.
We are in a Tuscan farmhouse, so there's a lot of balancing to be had.
Okay.
Get it.
No. But also look at the back. Is it straight against the wall?
Yes, it feels it. It looks it.
Yeah.
Well, I think that light is in a bit in the way. So the new PAX from Ikea. Another Ikea here. So if we're comparing the quality, better than that. But okay.
Okay. Now that it's done,
Yep.
grab the last shelf.
All
Which
right.
is this one.
And the doors to put on are the same concept.
The doors are like the old packs.
Yeah.
I'm not showing that anymore.
This heavy, good quality, same as the old or different?
Probably same. Done.
Look at that.
Done. How quick was this?
Yeah, fantastic. And
How
now
was the video?
16 minutes.
16 minutes. Okay.
Only because you didn't read the instruction for the
I
bottom
think
bit.
you could do it in 10 minutes. You can do it.
Unbelievable.